Hello, and welcome to another update video on PENGU. Yeah, this chart is still holding in our Fibonacci support zone here. Looks even a bit like a bull flag, you could say. So far, I mean, the market from this swing low back in June, the market rallied quite impulsively. I'm going to remove, by the way, this support zone down there. It did certainly hold in this AB setup we had, or 1-2 setup. And oops, hold on. And we're now moving up. And the idea is that we should get one more high to complete a C wave. Okay. Now, quick reminder, most coins top in 3 waves. So from a probabilities point of view, the ABC structure here is very likely. That C wave should get one more high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have 5 waves up. But if it's the yellow scenario, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could get, after the next high, another higher low and another higher high. Someone in our membership area asked me earlier today, greetings, by the way, I'm sure you watched the video, if we can distinguish between the white scenario and the yellow one. Not yet. Okay, the answer is not yet, because I cannot distinguish in the next move up if it's the white count or the yellow count. We just can't. They are both moving together, right? Both of these scenarios. Only if after this next high, which should, by the way, form a top most likely in the area around 6.2 to maybe, hold on, don't need that, 6.2 cents to 7.5 cents. Oh, shouldn't have deleted all that. Yeah, 6.2 to 7.5 cents. These are the next relevant Fibonacci levels above. So that's where we should form a top. But if afterwards we form a corrective pullback, well, then it's likely the yellow count, which means we're holding support and the pullback is 3 waves or maybe even a triangle pattern. But we don't know that yet, okay? I wouldn't rely on another 4-5 pattern. It can happen, but I wouldn't necessarily rely on it. So I would focus on what's directly in front of us. Look, we have an impulsive structure to the upside. We have a corrective pullback, and we're actually holding support. We're holding a higher low, and we could get a higher high afterwards. We could get one more high. So whether we're going to see another higher low afterwards really also depends on the market conditions. So at the moment, we have to take it level by level, especially considering how close we are to a major top on the Bitcoin chart, most likely. Yeah. Looking at the nanostructures, then the idea was that this pullback should be an ABC structure, which it's been, and the C wave 5 waves, which, yeah, looks complete. So we haven't quite reached 100% extension, but I mean, we reached a 38.2 retracement, which is usually an ideal target for a 4th wave, and came very, very close to the 100% extension, which is an ideal target for that C wave. So yeah, happy with that. What I now need to see is a 5-wave move up and a break above the trend line here. That would be a good indication that wave 5 to the upside has started. And then there seems to be a resistance cluster in the area around 5.2 to 5.3 cents, whereas actually we should probably get towards 6.2 cents next. That's the update on PENGU. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, additional charts, mindset stuff, news, all sorts of things. You can find a lot of information there as well. And yeah, check it out. Sometimes you're informed here even faster than on YouTube because, recording videos takes time and so on. So this is sometimes even faster. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.